Hey y'all, it's Melissa with the Bickums here today at Small Town Wreath Shop. Today we're going to be working on getting our grapevine wreath ready, prepped and ready for greenery. And I want to show y'all how to do this. But first, let me clean it. Y'all, sometimes this one I've tried to clean pretty good. It has a lot of leaves and vines in it. Y'all, I took it outside and I hit it against the pole on the shop to try to get most of the leaves out. But if you're inside, you can just bang it down on the... I've pretty much got all the leaves out. But it's still got a little bit of stuff coming out. But you want to kind of clean it out a little bit. Doesn't have to be perfect, but it was really bad when I first got it out of the box. Okay, I do use Gorilla Glue as my glue. I live down here in South Mississippi and we need some good glue that's going to stay good and sticky. So I got my glue pot. It's just an little electric skillet that I put all my glue sticks in and melted them. Like I said, you can get Gorilla Glue at Walmart. That's where I buy mine. You probably can get some on Amazon. You know, I don't even know. I would have to check. But I get mine at Walmart. Okay, y'all, this is a round grapevine. It is 14 inches. It's the 14-inch size. Y'all, I like ficus, okay? It's a really good background for a grapevine. And it's one of the cheaper things that you can buy that goes a pretty good ways. So, we have this at our shop here at Small Town Wreath Shop. We do sell supplies, y'all. So, I'll be mentioning from time to time that you can get stuff from our shop. Alright, so I've cut the ficus into 3 different sections. I'm going to go ahead and let me see. I'm going to go ahead and get this big piece, get me some glue, just kind of dab-a-do-ya. And I'm just going to stick it in here good and proper. And look, y'all, these bushes are kind of wired a little bit. Just kind of twist them to make them go with the shape of your grapevine. I actually don't want that one that twisted. I took it back a little bit. Alright, now we've got some more pieces. Here's another piece. I'm going to put this one down here towards the bottom. Y'all, I plan to put a big bow in the middle here. I've already made one of these wreaths, so I'm doing this one very similar. So I plan on putting my bow right here. So I'm kind of leaving that space open. I'm going to put just a little bit more ficus. You see that other ficus, I rounded it really with the wreath. This, I'm going to kind of just let go out a little bit. I wished I would have tore that leaf off, but I didn't. Alright, see how I let that kind of go out? And I've got one more piece. I'm going to take and I'm going to snip this little... I don't need that leaf right there. It's kind of in the way. And I'm going to put this one right down here, I believe. See, going out like that. I mean, you want it to kind of flow with your wreath base, but not just totally. And you want it to have a little. Alright, so that's what we've got so far. And y'all, like I said, this is just a good base, a good background. And we do sell this at smalltownwreathshop.com. And y'all, we come on Facebook. We do Facebook live, so you can watch us there. I've got this fern bush. We also sell that here at our shop. Y'all, this has got a good wire in it. You see there? It's got a really good wire that you can bend it however you want. So I'm going to put some of this. I want some fern in here too. I think that'll look really good. And y'all, usually your greenery is a little bit cheaper to buy than your flowers. So make you a good greenery base. We've almost got all our greenery put on. Y'all, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up if you don't mind. And maybe hit that subscribe button. I would appreciate it. Now, y'all, we're not going to use this whole bush. This is a lot of fern, okay? I don't remember how many cuttings it had on it, but it was a big fern bush, so we don't need all that fern. But we just want a few cuts off of it. Of course, we'll add more fern after we get our bow on and we get our ribbons and flowers.
That's going to be in part 2.
Yes, that'll be in part 2, like my husband said.
So make sure y'all keep up with all that.
Yeah, so keep up with the different sections we do, the different parts. Alright, I'm going to put just a little bit more of this fern, and then we're going to be done with this part. I hope y'all are having a fabulous day wherever y'all are. I'm over here in South Mississippi, and the weather is gorgeous today. Alright, you see how I did that ficus? I'm kind of doing the same thing with this fern, if you noticed. So that's what I have so far. Oops, hold on, let me get it in the camera. I can't remember how to, can y'all see it? Now y'all can kind of see it. Remember, my bow's going to go here. I'm going to put my flowers here and here. Alright, thank y'all for watching, and this is part 1 on how to make the grapevine wreath. Thank y'all for watching. Alright, y'all, you can see we've got our greenery on, our ficus and our fern, and it's just kind of flowing with the natural shape of the wreath. And our next video we'll be putting the bow on, and then it'll be the flowers. So if y'all found any value in this video, I wish y'all would give me a thumbs up and follow and subscribe to our page. Thank you.